Hello friends, welcome to Daring Maranda YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about difference between roller bearing and ball bearing. Basically, roller bearing is a cylindrical unit and ball bearing is a spherical unit. And roller bearing is used to provide low friction movement for bushing or bearing block, and ball bearing is also used for low friction movement. It's also objective is same for roller bearing and ball bearing, but here as a roller is the material for bearing. The real difference is the contact surface between the bearing and the rail. From in that perspective only, the main major difference between the roller bearing and ball bearing is happened in the contact surface. The area of contact surface difference is there. For ball bearing, when we assume it's a from the name we can understand that inside the bearing there will be spherical shaped balls. So inside there will be no deformation balls. So for them the contact surface is just only a single point. We can assume that as a ball the contact surface will be very small. So even once a deformation is happened, the amount of surface it can the ball is contacting the rail is very limited. So not much is gonna happen. But this creates an inherent strength limit for the ball. So load carrying capacity cannot be high. This can be used to reduce friction and all. In that application, ball bearing can be used. For roller bearing, on the other hand, we know that the entire lane is there of the contact is there. So area of contact is more in the roller bearing. This greatly increases the rigidity, stability, and maximum load carrying capacity of the roller bearing. From the figure, we can have a much more brief understanding. The main difference lies in for the ball bearings, the small contact area. In the figure we can understand there is only small contact area. When we look at the roller bearing, the area of contact is a large area. So this is the main major difference between roller bearing and ball bearing. Thank you.